Hey, it's me, Mrs. B. Are you ready to learn how to use the part-whole model? Then let's get ready to smile and learn. So let's find out how to use the part-whole model. What we've got here is part, whole. The white plate, then that's to distinguish between the part and the whole, is going to be the whole for us today. So what I'm doing to make it fun is using some Lego, and I'm going to be working with number bonds to 10 at the moment. So what I want to do is to count out 10 Lego bricks. Go and grab some. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put those to the side because we don't need those yet. So on the whole, we can see, helping hand, let's count together and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's always good to count touch, guys, to make sure you're accurate. We want to know about number bonds to 10. So how many different ways can we split 10 into 2 parts? Let's just take a handful of Lego and put it on one of the parts. Let's take the rest and put it on the other. How many did we start with, children? 10, that's right. I'm going to write the number 10 down. Okay. 10 in our whole. How many in this part? Let's check. Helping hand, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Let's write that down, folks. Check our number recognition and formation. 7 in this part. How many in this one, helping hand? 1, 2, 3. Excellent counting, guys. 3, number recognition and formation. So there we've got a number bond to 10. Tell me what you can see, children. 7 and 3 make 10. We'll save those for later. Okay, we've combined 10 again back to the whole. Remember, that's our whole number. Let's split again. What if we do this? Let's put them all on one plate. OMG, there's none on here. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But there aren't any here. So what does that mean? How do we represent none? That's right, children, with a 0. 0 is our hero. 0. And how many here did we say? That's correct. 10 again. 0 and 10 make 10. Let's save those for later. When you've figured out all the ways you know to make 10 using the part-whole model, then you can use your sticky notes to put those number bonds together. And you can play the number bond game. Excellent. There are other ways in which we can use the part-whole model. So let's take a look at some different numbers. What if we had the calculation of 15 plus something equals 19? Okay, let's have a look how we do that using the part whole. 15 is what we need in one part to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hope you're counting with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We need to make a total, so the whole was 15, children, that's right. So this is a missing number. This is 15. Something needs to go here to make 19 for the whole. So I'm going to count on from 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Well done, everybody. So we can now combine 15 and 4 to make 19. Let's ask helping hand to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's too many for me to count, so this is what I'm going to do, children. I'm going to combine all of those onto the whole and then add the others. Remember there were 15. Let's check as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Carry on counting. 16, 17, 18, 19. Excellent. So we know that the missing number was 4. Brilliant. Now, if you can work out that using Lego bricks and plates or bowls, whatever you've got handy, you can then move to drawing the part whole to represent part, part and whole. Oops, not quite set out the same. But you can move from using the practical to the drawing. Have a go. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, folks.